Yo guys, so I'm back to you with the new YouTube video, guys. I wanna say Happy New Year for everyone. Today I prepared for you few tricks we didn't see long time, and yeah, I'm gonna show you just bottle and tin, some catching variations to the nest, and also different level, starting with the basic and step by step going to the high level. Subscribe my channel, guys, like this video, share this video, give me your feedback, I need it. When I see the comments, I motivate to create the new videos, okay? Today I'm gonna show you just a bottle tin, simple routine with the different levels of ending. We're starting the same, but the end will be different, okay? So in the first, like we're doing like just one with no spin, one, then one spin, then spin catching under with the one flip, yeah, and then look, I'm just do the tumbrel here, change it here, and throw it here, all together. 1, 2, 3, tumbrel to the nest. We did like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we do the same with the other. 1, 2, 3, 5. Behind. Yeah? My left leg look in front. So. And then you're just turning the body and catch it. The next one is, first I'm gonna show you. You remember I was teach you about the move with the snatching, this one? This one even harder. So now we just need to change the team like that, behind our head, and catch it to the nest. So look, throwing, catch it. The same going with it in this way. Yeah, all the variation, guys. Also the same way, we're starting the same way. Like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and catching here. So what I'm doing here, we have like the two moves here. This first one you should do before you practice this move. This one, and that's it. Even the one move, guys, even the one move. Because when you throw it, the bottle should be thrown here. Toss it here in this place. Not front, not left. Throw it like closer to your chest. And then you just, when you throw it, you need just to change the tin behind your back, so like that. You see, just here. I'm changing, and I'm already turning my body and trying to catch it. So once again, yeah, together one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, guys, and I have a small competition for you. Now I show you the one trick, the harder variation of all of this I showed before. Who make this first and show me, I have a special present for this, okay? So now I will show you. Yep. Do it and show me. For today that's enough, guys. This year I'm gonna post many videos, many tutorials, many cocktails, many walking Flair, and everything about the bartending and the show. That was Akimba with you guys. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.